Is your Samsung phone's Wi-Fi acting up? Bluetooth not pairing? Mobile data suddenly slow or not working? Before you pull your hair out, there's a powerful built-in fix: resetting your network settings. This won't delete your photos or apps, but it will wipe all your saved connections and start fresh. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. Step-by-step guide to reset. First, on your Samsung phone, open your Settings app. It's the gear icon. Then, navigate to General Management. Scroll down and tap on General Management. This is the hub for system-wide resets. Inside General Management, tap on Reset. Here you'll see several reset options. We want Reset Network Settings. Tap it. A final screen will appear, listing all the network-related data that will be erased. Read carefully. To proceed, tap the blue Reset Settings button at the bottom. One last confirmation. Tap Reset. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth device will disconnected. For dual SIM users, the reset will clear settings for both SIMs. You may need to reselect your preferred SIM for data and calls. After reset, you need to reconfigure Wi-Fi, Bluetooth device again. If this guide helped you fix your connection, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more tech guides. Thanks for watching.